Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to input a number and calculate the double factorial of a given number. What is the double factorial? For an even integer, the double factorial is product of all even positive integer less than or equal to n. For example, if you give a 8, the double factorial of 8 is 8 multiplied with 6 multiplied with 4 multiplied with 2. Likewise, for an odd integer, the double factorial is the product of all odd positive integer less than or equal to p. For this, we are going to write a Python program. The variable num equal to integer of input of enter a number. The input statement display the string enter a number in the user's console. When user enter a number, the input statement receives it as a string. Int function convert it as an integer and storing it in the variable num. Now I am initializing a variable fac equal to 1, followed by I am writing a for loop for I in range starting from the number which we obtained as an input from the user is the starting value. The end value is 0. Step is -2 followed by colon. For is a keyword of the for loop. I is the loop variable. The range function generate a list starting from the number which you obtained as an input from the user and up to the last number -1. For example, if it is a even number, if you take a 8, the range function will generate a list 8, 6, 4 and 2. If it is an odd number, from the number to the previous of the 0, that is 1. If the variable num is an odd number, then the range function generates a list starting from the number up to the previous number of the end value. That is, the previous number of 0 is 1. For example, if we give 5, the range function will generate a list 5 minus 2 is 3 minus 2 is 1. So a list will get generated. I is a loop variable. For each iteration, I will take the value one by one from the sequence. In operator helps this purpose. Now I am writing the body of the loop. To show a statement which is in the body of the for loop, we have to give the tab space. Here I am writing fac equal to fac multiplied with I. So here what will happen? For example, I am giving num as a 6. A list will get generated 6, 4, 2. I will take the value 6 from the list and multiplied with the existing value of fact, that is 1. 6 into 1 equal to 6, that will get stored in the fact. Next iteration, I will take the value 4. So what will happen? It come to the body of the loop and multiplied with 6 into 4, 24. The next iteration, I will take the value 2. So it will come here and multiplied 24 into 2, which is 48. So in this manner, the loop will work. After the loop, I am writing a print statement. Print the variable num. Value in the variable num will get printed, followed by I am giving 2 exclamation symbol is. So this is a string. The value of the variable num followed by the 2 exclamation symbol. It will mention the double factorial is followed by the variable fact. So the value in the variable num double factorial is followed by the value in the variable fact will get printed. Now we will execute the program and check the result. So I'm entering a number 6. So 6 double factorial is 48. How it happens? 6 multiplied with 4 is 24, multiplied with 2. This is 48. I'm running the program again. Here I'm giving 5. This is 15. 5 into 3 into 1 is 15. The program is working perfectly. This will work for any input. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.